Hi, this is Accutek Car Audio Visual in Winchester. This is the video of a Fiat Ducato. It's a 2024-25 spec. We've installed a DNR992RVS into this. This allows you to have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto wirelessly, and also it's got built-in navigation. This also allows you to put your measurements of the camper in. We've got navigation is based on Garmin software. If I go back in there, you've got your options here, where to go. You've also got your camper contacts and then the ACSI facilities for all your camper location or camping locations. This has also got a rear camera input. For this particular one's got for the rear camera linked up to it, so you can see exactly where you are when you're reversing. All the steering wheel controls work as you'd expect on the steering wheel controls. If I go back to the home, there we are. So there's all your sources: Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and the shortcut to the navigation. If you'd like to have this in your camper, then please give us a call on 01962 886 900. Thanks for watching.